Truckpedia has been a major game changer for us.
Been doing this 25 years. I've seen a lot of different softwares, a lot of different things we've tried to do over the years, and Truckpedia is just a step above everybody else. It's got what you need in a non-static dispatching company.
In the beginning, we thought we were going to struggle, especially training the drivers, because the drivers are used to paper, handwriting things, and anything technology just comes at an issue right off the get-go. But even our drivers that are not very tech savvy, it took them a day or two to learn it, to figure it out, and then the ease of operation of it. It's if you can send a general text message, you can work yourself through the app.
Yeah, my name's Cameron Cook. Been in trucking about 6.5 total years. I definitely like the technology they have here. Previous jobs, it was only pen and paper. You know, you'd have to write down your location, the time, you know, at every stop. So it would, over time, add up and make our day longer. And so Truckpedia just kind of helps us get through the day faster, and it just saves us time overall.
In May, we got across the finish line, and it was literally like day one where like everybody here is literally doing cartwheels and handstands. They're so happy with the new software. And I do a lot of traveling. I have to work remote a lot, and it was so easy to use remote. And the final thing I would say is that you can use an Apple computer. The old software was only Windows-based computers. Works for any device, any platform. That's a game changer because, again, like if you're traveling, you don't always have, but I can go on with my phone or my iPad or my laptop. Truckpedia has been a major game changer for us.